Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. Welcome to my channel Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. I want to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all for joining me in this channel today. So friends, today we will see what are your person's deepest desires for you in this connection. We will peek into their heart space with channeled messages from your person. Now let's quickly jump into our reading. Now we have opened our reading with a message from your person. I want this. We will find each other one day. The heart can be blind and frozen. Your touch ignites a sun within me. So your person finds a hell lot of happiness with you. They find joy, peace, love, care when they are around you. We tread a path of infinite meaning together. Our fate is to create an unforgettable story. Not never, but not now. I just want to call you, but I won't. Our paths and lives are aligned. I'm afraid I will lose myself in you. Your light is so bright. Somewhere in time I will find you and love you again. I have been expanding my spiritual knowledge. I do want to make things right with you. Give me that opportunity. Just know I'm obsessed with you. I'm always reminded of you. I have thought about taking a trip with you. It was you. It was always you. I have options, but I only want you. I do pray about us. I don't want you to be with anyone else. I have been receiving your telepathic messages. I have been feeling your presence around me. We got a song for you today. Addicted by Enrique. I'm not afraid of dying, but I'm afraid of losing you. So something is holding back. Something is holding back this person to move forward with you in this connection. Maybe their own unmet emotional needs from childhood. Okay, they are pushing you away subconsciously, but consciously they do want to be around with you. Okay, to be around you. And I can sense that they have to really learn to open up with you, learn to be vulnerable with you. Okay, they do want to feel supported by you. What I'm sensing here from your person's energies. Okay, and they are really sitting in a position where they are in this victim mentality, and they are really feeling hurt by criticism, or by a blame game. So they really want to feel supported, seen, understood, heard from you in this connection. What I'm feeling, and from the energies of your person. But I can sense that they need some space and time to process their own feelings and emotions, and they really have to learn to learn to show up for themselves, okay, rather than being always looking outside for validating their own feelings. So friends, that's all I'm sensing from the energies of your person. Let me know in the comment section below if this reading has assisted you in some way, okay. I love to hear from you all. Also, I love to have you all subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if you like the reading, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button in order to keep yourself posted on my new upcoming videos. And if you are interested to buy your own personal reading with me, you can reach out to me and can find details in the description box below. I will love to help you out with your own personal reading. So thank you so much friends. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care friends.